Good Friday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for February 7th, 2014, and using the GFS here for Saturday morning. Now we're going to have a cold and dry day again on Friday, and then we're going to go to a little bit more of an active pattern for the weekend here, but not quite as active as was speculated. And we have some model guidance that has changed over the last week here. And as we got closer, we're able to narrow it down a little bit and see what was going on. And this is looking at Saturday morning. System is going to be moving well to our south here. It's actually sitting right off the Carolina coast down here. Is going to continue out in this direction here. Latest GFS is now showing some light snow actually to our south here. So areas in our south are going to get into some light snow. We think just some very light snow showers, maybe an inch or so across these areas, across the southern areas here on Saturday as this system moves to the south, but areas to the north will stay dry, and that's because this high pressure is anchored just to your north here. So it should keep everything, the confluence should keep everything to the south here, and maybe a few flurries getting up as far north as Allentown here, but not looking at anything as far as accumulations are concerned until you get into most likely extreme southeastern PA, southern New Jersey, and Delaware. And again, we're talking about probably an inch or less as this scoots on by. We're going to take a look at the next frame here, and you can see some snow showers here that's set up over in these same areas here, and this is actually on Saturday evening. So we did allow for some snow showers up in this area here, but again, we're not talking about a big deal. This is very, very light precipitation. Here's your low pressure, very weak and disorganized, moving off to the southeast. And going to go over to the NAM high res here. And this is going to take us for, this is actually Saturday afternoon as well, and, or excuse me, this is Saturday morning, and you can see that system moving off to the southeast here. Here's the precipitation with it well offshore here on the NAM high res, excuse me, well offshore on the NAM high res, and then as we go a little bit further in time here into on Sunday, another impulse is going to move through here. This is a little weak clipper system that's going to move through here on Sunday and bring some snow showers to areas further to the north here. Now the GFS is not very impressed with this system, and actually either is the Canadian model, but you can see the system moving across here on Sunday, here Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon, just some snow showers again. So we're not talking about maybe an inch, maybe slightly more than an inch in some areas here, but we're not talking about much in the way of precipitation here on Sunday either. And then here's Sunday evening, and then this system kind of just falls apart. Just some snow showers around here through Sunday, maybe even a Sunday night here, and then that system moves out as well. Going ahead to the next system here. And this is going to be the middle of the week. We're looking at the Wednesday, Thursday time frame, and there's a system that's going to be, again, off the coast here that's going to come up the coast, we think, and this one does stand a better chance at producing some snowfall here. The GFS isn't really thrilled with this idea. Has us well to the east here, but we have a lot of time to track this one. This one actually has a better chance of coming a little bit closer to the mainland, but it's again, we're still a little bit too far away, and this system is going to attempt to come up the coast a little bit, and we think it's going to be somewhere a little bit closer out in this direction here, which could promote some more snow up in this area here. But we have almost a week here to look at it, or actually not quite a week here, but about 6 days to look at this and narrow this down as well. But this is your next threat. This would be next Thursday. We're looking like Wednesday into Thursday time frame for a storm system to affect our area. And again, we really don't have a good handle on the system yet. The European model that ran earlier today was indicating that we have a decent snow event up in this area, and the GFS had it initially, and now it's starting to push everything off to the east again. So yeah, anyway, don't latch on any ideas. We think we learned a lesson with that with this past system that everybody was thinking was going to be a big blizzard, and we see what's going to end up happening this weekend. Not a lot going on. Maybe coatings to an inch, and or maybe two in some areas if you're lucky, but not a big deal. So we'll have a lot of time to look at this and narrow it down as we get closer. But as of right now, we're not looking at anything in the near term that would represent a big storm. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for February 7th, 2014. Have a great Friday.